So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how I easily remove my sweet stamps. Some people have been having issues with them breaking, so I'm just going to show you two super easy ways. So for the first step, I'm just taking fondant and I'm just warming it up with my fingers, and then I'm going to press it into the letters and it's going to remove so easy. I'm just going to do a few more for you and then I'll move along to the next step, which is the numbers. So now I'm going to move along to the numbers. So as you can see, the numbers are falling out pretty easy. So what I'm going to do here is, for the remaining numbers that did not come out, I'm going to tap the back of it. This actually removed most of them, but you're going to see in a few that I had an issue with the and sign. I'll show you how to get that one out. Well, you can see the and sign is being very stubborn. So what I'm going to do here is going to lay it flat, and then I'm going to grab a box cutter and I'm going to gently remove it on an angle. See, that popped right out.